Imagine this. You are managing a complex project with multiple teams, tight deadlines, and hundreds of moving parts. Every decision counts, and even small delays could affect the outcome. But now, picture having a tool that provides real-time insights, instantly highlighting potential risks, tracking progress, and even predicting future outcomes. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's not. In today's video, we'll dive into how AI-powered project management dashboards are turning the dream into reality, helping leaders make smarter decisions every step of the way. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Next Chair. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and drop a comment below. It really helps us grow and bring you more content like this. Today, we're exploring the game-changing world of AI-powered project management dashboards. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by project complexities or frustrated by delayed decisions, you're in the right place. We're going to take a journey through real-time insights, better decision-making, and how AI is quietly revolutionizing how projects are managed. And the best way to explain it? Let's tell a story. Let's jump right in and meet our main character, Alex, a project manager at a thriving tech company. Main story, Part 1. The problem. Alex is juggling a new product launch. It's big, high stakes, and has a tight deadline. Her team consists of designers, developers, marketing specialists, and product testers, each with their timelines and unique needs. But it's more than just the team. She has to answer to executives who want regular updates, investors who are eagerly awaiting results, and customers who have high expectations for this new release. And here's the kicker. Every morning, Alex spends at least an hour piecing together updates from each team to get a clear picture of where things stand. Deadlines feel hazy, priorities keep shifting, and Alex constantly wonders if a delay is around the corner. She's overwhelmed by fragmented information and slow response times, and the pressure is building. Sound familiar? If you've ever been in Alex's shoes, trying to manage a project without a clear view, give this video a like. Now, let's meet the solution that's about to change Alex's world, the AI-powered project management dashboard. Main story, Part 2, Discovering the solution. One day, Alex's boss introduces her to an AI-powered project management dashboard. At first, she's skeptical. After all, she's used dashboards before, and they haven't done much to ease her workload. But this one? It's different. Built on AI, it promises real-time insights, predictive analytics, and personalized updates that adapt as the project progresses. So, she decides to give it a shot. On her first day using it, she's amazed by the intuitive setup. Instantly, the dashboard connects all team updates, timelines, and tasks into a single, easy-to-read layout. No more manual tracking and no more confusion. It's all there at a glance. Not only that, but the dashboard also prioritizes tasks based on real-time feedback from each team, flagging potential delays before they even happen. It's like having a project crystal ball. If you are enjoying this story and want more insights like these, remember to subscribe and share this video with your team. Let's follow Alex as she dives deeper into how this dashboard impacts her day-to-day work. Main story, Part 3, The Power of Real-Time Insights. Fast forward a few weeks, and Alex is navigating the project with ease. Thanks to real-time insights, she can see which tasks are on track, which ones need attention, and what might pose risks in the future. Each morning, instead of compiling updates, she opens the dashboard to see a live snapshot of every task, team member, and deadline. One morning, the dashboard alerts her to a potential bottleneck in development. Instead of waiting for her team to identify and report it, she's already 2 steps ahead, resolving the issue before it affects the timeline. The predictive capabilities built into the dashboard even suggest a few backup strategies to keep things moving smoothly. It's a game changer. The best part? Her team is less stressed, more coordinated, and they're saving hours every week by automating tedious tasks. Executives are thrilled with the real-time transparency, and Alex is no longer burdened by information overload. If you're finding these insights useful, hit that like button and let us know in the comments how an AI-powered dashboard could help your team. Now, let's see how AI in the dashboard continues to impact Alex's project through smarter decision-making. Main story, Part 4, Making Smarter Decisions with AI. As the project progresses, Alex realizes the true magic of her AI dashboard, smarter decision-making. Thanks to advanced data analysis, the dashboard not only provides real-time insights but also recommendations for the best course of action. For example, when her team faces an unexpected delay, the AI analyzes past project data to suggest ways to get back on track. It's like having an expert advisor at her fingertips. She also discovers a feature called Sentiment Analysis, which tracks the overall satisfaction and productivity of her team by analyzing project feedback. When the analysis shows a dip, Alex knows it's time to bring everyone together and address concerns. This proactive approach not only improves team morale but also keeps the project on schedule. With every step, the dashboard helps her make informed decisions, balancing priorities and responding to changes instantly. It's more than just tracking tasks, it's a complete project management assistant. If this sounds like something that could transform your project management, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tips like these. Let's wrap up by seeing how this new approach to project management changed the way Alex leads her team. Conclusion, Part 5, A New Era of Project Management. With her AI-powered dashboard, Alex has transformed from a project manager overwhelmed by tasks to a confident leader focused on strategy and outcomes. The real-time insights allow her to foresee issues, streamline workflows, and stay ahead of deadlines. She's saving time, reducing stress, and making decisions that drive the project forward efficiently. And it's not just her. Her team is more collaborative, her managers are more supportive, and she's setting new benchmarks for productivity in her organization. All of this thanks to the power of AI in project management. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed Alex's story and want more content on AI and project management, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comments, how could AI-powered tools transform your work? Until next time, keep managing smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.